Welcome to Zeo. Let's talk about automated lifecycle stage updates. Once a route is successfully completed in Zeo, the lifecycle stage of CRM contacts or companies with completed addresses is automatically updated, moving them from lead or opportunity to customer in HubSpot. This smart automation means no manual edits, no missed follow-ups, and your CRM stays clean, consistent, and always up to date. So, how can you verify that the update happened? First, go to Contacts or Companies from your HubSpot dashboard. Once you are there, search for the contact or company whose lifecycle stage you want to check and click on it. Once you are there, simply click the Actions dropdown and select View All Properties. Once on the Properties page, use the search bar to find the lifecycle stage field. If the route was completed successfully, the lifecycle stage will now show customer. If it shows a customer, this is a clear sign that the automation worked exactly as expected. This not only confirms the status change, but also helps your sales and support teams identify real customers instantly, ensuring better follow-ups, smarter segmentation, and more accurate reporting. And that's a wrap on this setup guide. You've now seen how Zeo's integration with HubSpot goes beyond routing. It actively helps you nurture leads, close deals, and keep your CRM running like clockwork. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our additional resources to get the most out of Zeo Route Planner. Smarter routing, cleaner CRM, and a whole lot less manual work. That's Zeo.